Listen to me, man. Championship time. Florida Lightning. Florida Fire. 14U. Last game of the day. Make a play, partner with the event 7-on-7. It's going down. If you watch it, man, share it for us. Share it to your football group. Share it to your, I don't care where you share it. I don't care where you share that. Just share it for us. Championship. Florida Lightning versus Florida Fire. Boy, this is more than just 7-on-7. I mean, this is Broward versus Dave. Florida Lightning been trying to get their foot in the door for the longest. Because they come out here with all the talent, but nobody wants to give them none of the respect. Footballville, man. Make a play 7-on-7, the event. Championship, last game of the day.
One, two, three.
Oh, touchdown to Wayne.
Coach, 1 or 2, 1 or 2.
That's 6-0. 7-6. 7-6. That's the same thing.
Wait on the motion, boy. Oh, and second.
Footballville, man. We out here.
2, 3.
Bro, what is you doing?
He broke on that one. Stopped the interception. He broke on that one. So 7-6, Florida Lightning lead. Championship time.
Seven,
7-6. Florida Lightning lead.
One, two, three.
Oh, good. Hey, good job, Barn.
Oh. 7-6, Florida Lightning lead. Florida Fire, 14U, make a play, 7-on-7. Championship, Miami.
Outside, hurry up. That's why you gotta run back.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Oh, up top. We're going for it all. Oh, picked off Florida Fire for the interception. He was going for it all. See what Coach Tony Smith. See what Coach Tony Smith got.
Come on, hustle up. Come on, why are you tired? You need to breathe? Need a break? Ten seconds. Come on, get set. Hurry up. Hurry up, J-Bo. 5.
Oh, that's a sack. That's a sack. Footballville, man. We out here. It's a movie out here. Listen. It's the last game of the day, but the weekend was a blast. It's going down. We got Florida Fire with the nasty shock uniform versus Florida Lightning. Okay. It's a movie out here, man. Listen. We got a field man. We got field man championship time, man. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 refs. Field manager.
5.
Championship time, man. We're going to get this right.
3, 1, 2.
Championship time, man. We're going to get it right. Footballville, we out here. Make a play 7-on-7. Huh? 6 officials out here for the championship. 6 officials out here for the championship. Listen, we're trying to give you the best product we can give you. Period. So if you ain't signed up for us this weekend, I don't know where you went. Screw what you heard. Log in. Watch the videos. The kids having a blast. Go to the up top. Blue. Oh Lord.
But Wayne came up, okay?
Ooh. That's a ball game here. Got a ball game here.
Where's the ball now? Where's the ball?
You got a ball game. So man, makeaplay707.com. Y'all go get registered. We're going to Vegas. We're going to Atlanta. We're all over, baby. Got a couple more in Florida, Fort Myers. Yeah, Mr. Davion Gall. Davion just got off a plane from Las Vegas. Mr. Bullet right here came out here to snap the ball. He wanted to be a part of Make a Play. Rolling, we rolling, we rolling. Oh!
And that's it!
We're having a big game. We're having a big game. Wayne having a big day. Wayne having a big day. Listen, Make a Play 707 football field, 300,000 subscribers. 60,000 YouTube, 80,000 Instagram. 70,000 on Facebook. And you say, yeah, so what? That's just social media. What that mean? I'm explaining something to you about social media. Social media is our new entertainment. We all our own brand. Social media is the new TV networks. Your TV is the cassette deck. You don't watch TV no more. You watch everything streamed. Social media is the new ABC, NBC, and if you got 300,000, you got a big network. And if you got a big network, that means a lot of people there. So guess who here? A bunch of people that love football, like college recruiters, high school coaches, Rivals 247. They all here. They all sneaking around, snooping around. Because the network is huge. Oh, and it's the best players in the nation. Having them. Stop playing. Interception, Florida Fighter. That's the second interception in the vote. Florida Fighter got to wake up. Coach told me they were going to win it all. But listen, Make a Play 707. Go to Make a Play 707. Register for our next tournament.
5, 4, 3. Oh, you got to hurry up. 2. You give me 10 seconds. Watch the video. Line up. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2.
Like I say, go oh, we up top. We're going deep. Nah, that's too much. That's our next tournament, March the 4th, baby. Mesquite Sports Complex, Las Vegas, Nevada. Go to makeaplay707.com, get registered. Then we're coming back to North Florida, University of North Florida, on North Florida campus. Then Austin, Tisdale, and Orlando. Then we headed to Fort Myers. We're going down to Fort Myers. Then we headed to Cocoa Beach. Let's go to makeaplay707.com, get registered up, man. That's it, man. Over 50 teams out here this weekend. It was a movie. And if somebody's saying it wasn't a movie, then they wasn't here, or they haters and they gonna die haters. Saying it like that. Make a Play 707, footballville, talking championship, 14U up top. Let me see what we got. Oh, too strong. Got Coach Kroon back here, the national champ, Coach Kroon. Florida Fire, Florida Lightning. Florida Lightning gotta wake up, man. I don't know.
7:30, I'm running.
Florida Lightning gotta wake up. They're sleepwalking out here.
18-9.
18-9. We got a whole full game. We got 18-9 in your 18-9. Share it to your page. Share it to the football group. Share it for us, man. It's going down here, the last game of the day.
Hurry up. We only got a little bit of time. Hurry up.
So let's go. Here we go. Oh, nice. Oh, he let him. Oh, that was nice.
Hurry up, Russ, hustle back.
Footballville, man. We out here the last game of the weekend. It's a movie out here, man. We got Black Ops down here from Jacksonville. We got Triple H.
Hey.
10 seconds.
We got FSA down here from all the way down south. Big Conley League.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Quarterback drop back. Oh, nice pass. Nine to 18. Somebody put the score in the comment section for me. So when somebody asks the score, put the score in the comment section for me, Inyo. 18-9, Inyo. You the score person. You gotta stay here with us. Make a play 7-on-7. National tournament, baby. Next stop, March 14th, Las Vegas. Quarterback drop out. Oh, it's a movie out here, man. Trying to get this thing right. Trying to get the best product we can. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 refs referencing the championship game. And we got a field manager. The event, make a play 7-on-7. Fire up. Oh, got him. Touchdown, Florida Lightning. Uh-oh, we got a ball game. We got a game. We got a ball game. We got a game. Coach Snake lit. Coach Snake stay lit. Look at him. He lit. He always lit. Championship time, baby.
10 seconds. 1, 2.
Oh, touchdown. Let's go.
How much time?
Almost time.
I can't hear you. 5 minutes.
5 minutes left.
Go two.
Hey, I need a pick.
5 minutes left.
Score.
18-17. Florida Lightning, 18-17. Florida Lightning leads, 18-17. Florida Fire leads, 18-17. 5 minutes left, 18-17. Florida Fire. There you go, Inyo. You got Inyo in here working. We got Devion Gall's bullet snapping the ball. We got Inyo scoring the game.
You good with that?
That's a penalty. You can't get too rough at 7-on-7. 7-on-7 is not a physical game. Okay, it's a moderately physical game. It's touch football.
1, 2.
Oh, across the middle. Be wide open. Touchdown, Florida.
Let's go. They're up 7. 3 minutes. What's the score? They're up 7. 2.
24-17. They go on for 2. 24-17. They go on for 2. This how it's supposed to be, man. We got a ball game.
Oh, 2.5. 2.5. Yeah, J-Bo. 10 seconds. Back up. 1, 2.
Let's go, J-Bo. Let's go, J-Bo. Let's go, J-Bo.
That's 26-18. That extra point was bad. That was a bad score. They shouldn't have let them get that. Footballville, man. We out here. Locked in, we stay locked in. Florida Lightning got some ground to make up. Florida Lightning got some ground to make up. We'll get y'all back into the action in a second. Oh, up top. Up top. We almost had him. So listen. 26-17. If we tracking it right, Florida Fire leads.
Hey, before you realize we're fucking down, let's go. Let's gotta get back out of
Oh, nice pass. Nice pass. We're back in action. Back in action. Back in action. I think.
Hey!
What's the score, Inyo? Inyo, what's the score? 26-17. Fire up. There it is. Tony Smith a crybaby. I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell him you said it.
Daniel! Yes, sir. Hey, what the time is? 109.
This man.
Hey,
Championship time. 5 referees. They all getting paid. Make sure we get this thing right. You cannot cry when there's 5 referees out here. Because I realize every losing coach cries. I came to the conclusion. Every losing coach cries. Period. Ain't no other way around it. Oh, got him in the flats. Well, the Lightning got to get in here. Yeah, we out here, man. Going down. Championship time. Footballville, man. We out here.
Back up. Y'all gotta run to y'all spot.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, he got him. Popped over.
1 or 2.
There it is. Let's spin the ball on.
Hey, go sorry. Go sorry.
23. Hey, they're going for 2.
26-23?
Yes, sir.
26-23. They're going for 2. Florida Lightning leads. They get 2 right here. It's 25-26. Right, Inyo, you following this? Big Inyo, one of the top 14U.
Right to the ball, man.
12U, one of the top 12U quarterbacks of the nation. But he in here taking score with old Footballville. Give us a thumbs up, Inyo. Oh, Inyo, he threw the ball to a ghost, Inyo. Listen, what's the score? Inyo, what's the score? 26-23? Please tell me you're following the score, Inyo.